Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to set up your CodeHS account so you can follow along in this playlist. The first thing you want to do is go to codehs.com. Then click on Login. After you click on Login, then click on Login with Google and choose an account. The next step is to click on At Home Learner. The next step is to choose the free plan. After you do that, your screen should look something like this. For the next step, scroll down and click on Finish Account. For step 8, click on the sandbox. This is where you will be experimenting and creating code. For the last step, click on the plus Create Program, then Python Turtle, and lastly, Create Program again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.